makeup brushes at home. With another Love Me video, y'all. And y'all, I like the first wig so much that I got another one. Not sponsored at all. I wish. Love Me, if y'all are sponsoring people, go ahead and sponsor your girl. But yes, y'all, the quality of this wig is really good. I am not feeling a whole hump situation. Like, it's giving early 90s real, like, volume, crazy volume type time, which I'm not mad at. But for me, if it's going to have all this volume here, it needs to have volume here as well. Like, it needs to be like voluminous everywhere, and it's not. It's literally just a hump here, and then this is straight. So what I am thinking of doing, y'all, and the lace is lacing yet again. Like, this lace, I didn't even put makeup on it, which I am going to do makeup on it, but this is just right out the box. So I'm not mad at it. I'm going to use some of my foundation, and what y'all see right there is not even the lace, it's the cap. So if I took that cap away, y'all, the lace is definitely lacing. Even that white, y'all, that's cap. That's not the lace. So they did send these kind of like see-through sheer caps this time around. I do prefer the brown caps that are closer to my complexion because I like how it looks like through the lace. Like I said, the lace is so see-through that this is giving almost like white. I feel like maybe on a lighter skin tone this cap would be better, but not a big deal. I could fix that. Again, I could just apply some makeup. Right now I am just going to get this humpback situation together, and I'm going to style it. Now, y'all know last time I had I believe the wig was 14 inches and I cut it into like a bob bang situation. I'm not cutting this wig. I specifically got this wig because it had more density than the last one. It wasn't just flat, because I want to have a wig. I want a wig with this length. So the length is beautiful, but it's just like I said, for me, the humpback situation, I'm not loving, but I know that I can like bring it all together. So I don't want to cut this wig at all, but if I do have to, maybe just some light layers, but I don't want to cut it at all, y'all. I really want it to be, I want it to be the way that it is, because it does have slight layers. Like, it does have slight layers. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm Shanique. If you guys are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today, y'all, we are going to get ready with me and my 7-month-year-old, y'all. We have a party to go to tonight, and I'm gonna be doing my hair, doing my makeup, finishing her hair, getting her dressed, getting me dressed. Like, moms, you guys know, like, it is so different getting ready with the baby. Like, it's just a total different thing. I'm not used to it. I've been getting ready on my own for 33 years without a baby, so now that I have to get ready and include a baby is different. Even packing for a baby. So we are actually staying at a hotel tonight, so I had to pack my bag and her bag. It was just a lot, but I thought it would be fun to do a get ready with us. And then yeah, so let's start. On first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start my makeup. She's right here. We already did her hair, y'all, so I just have to add like some little ponytails. But I did do her hair last night, so I wouldn't be rushing to do it today. I have her on this chair. This chair suctions to whatever surface she's on, so I know it probably looks scary, but it's not. This suctions here. This is the only thing that I can do. Her dad is not here. It's the only thing that I can do to make sure that she is safe and secure while I'm doing my makeup. It's like so much more different, but I think I already showed y'all in the beginning. This is Love Me hair, or Love Me, I don't know if it's called Love Me hair or Love Me wigs, but this is a Love Me hair wig, and it's giving orange because I did put makeup. I'm like, why is it looking, my scalp looking so orange, y'all? I hate that. But I'm about to fix my hair, take this down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tackle makeup. It's 5 o'clock, so we have like an hour and a half to get ready. So I'm about to put some music on, and I know I can do us both in an hour and a half. We should be good. Especially since I did her hair last night. Good down, you acting like me. Acting like we was more than a summer. It's in their box. I bought a whole new box of new makeup brushes. Yeah. I'm gonna be. It's alright. I'll figure it out before then. Alright. Yeah. Thanks. Alright. Well, I left my makeup brushes at home. This is about to be a hot mess. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. We'll figure it out. As you guys know, I left my makeup brushes home. I'm just using this eyebrow brush to apply this Anastasia pomade, which is, you gotta be real careful with this stuff because this stuff goes on really thick. If you don't blend it, it'll look crazy. So, y'all, it's a struggle. But I'm making it work. I just hope that my boyfriend gets here in time enough for me to be able to blend everything. So I'm about to try to put her to sleep. She's like yelling, but my makeup looks crazy right now because I don't have a brush. Hopefully my boyfriend gets here in time enough so I can blend it, but I'm about to put her down. She needs a nap. You need a nap. She's been yelling the entire time. Let's go take a nap. So hopefully she'll nurse I'm about to try to nurse her, y'all. She has just been yelling, and I tried to nurse her when we first got here so she wouldn't be yelling when it's time to get ready. It's 5:25, so we have like about an hour left, which is cool. I'm gonna try to put her down within the next like 10-15 minutes. Then I'm gonna finish my makeup. I actually need to charge my camera because it's about to die, so that's kind of good. That's why I get started early so that I can have time for like intermissions like this. Like I said, all I have to do for her is I'm thinking of turning this into 2 ponytails. I don't know if I want to do 2 ponytails or 1, but I just gotta add her ponytails and then we're good. We about to take a nap. I forgot, as you guys know, I forgot my makeup brushes, but I also forgot my liquid liner. I normally do a wing liquid liner at the top to add, you know, volume and dramatic, like a drama look to my eyes. But if this ever happens to you or you don't really know how to do the wing liner, mascara can do the trick. I have 2 mascaras that I'm going to use. Baby girl is... Y'all, it's so hard getting ready with a baby. But I have 2 mascaras that I bought, so I'm going to still achieve that same look. I'm just going to do a load of mascara on each eye. So as you guys can see, it still looks, kind of gives that line, that eyeliner look. You have to get really close to your lash line when you're applying your mascara. Like, get really close and wiggle it back and forth. Let me show y'all. So really close to the lash line and wiggle it back and forth. This is my first coat, y'all. I'm probably going to do, since I don't have any liquid liner, I'm probably going to do like 10 coats on each eye. But I have this Clean Girl CoverGirl mascara, and then I also have this mascara from Sephora. Y'all, this mascara is everything. I'm gonna top it off probably like with 2 coats on each lid with the this is called Size Me Up. Y'all, this mascara is everything, but y'all gonna see what I'm talking about once I'm done, like how my eyes still have that same look.
I can be drunk. Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m. no stress. At 3 that bullshit kick in. At 30 you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. But there's it's like a low. I know it just be the best. I'm looking at her and her started turning to you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her? We probably tripped to the birds. 29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's filling up sense, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, make it squeak. I make this shit beat. Whatever teeth when I feast. Sleeping and slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it hard to creep. Just leave the gate open. Notice I do I'm a creep. Are you about to rail? And now that gets down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me, is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. How I lied to way before I had you right this moment. But then again, I can be drunk.
And I sit that on and remind us to fight. Fucking night, I keep the water in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that romance stuff for Jay.